Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 10 screencast video. So as we move through our last unit, I can always count on Buzz Bissinger's essay in the textbook to stir a stimulating conversation about college football. I signed this for my 1101 classes in that particular chapter to have everybody rethink what it is we do in higher education, since higher education is the topic for your last project. Sometimes we tend to think that preserving the status quo is what's needed to solve problems. Whatever your problem is, you're going to focus on in the proposal format for the last essay and our topic of higher education. Looking at college football is always a way to think exactly what it is we do. So many schools do make money through college sports, but more than not, I think if you looked up some of the statistics, many colleges actually lose money on college sports, while a few students do benefit via means of scholarships. There's always a good debate going on regarding the place of college sports in the institution. Now, granted, it is a tradition. All sports actually is a tradition, and I mean, where would we be without March Madness? But the question you have to ask yourself sometimes is the cost, I should say, rise for college sports, building new stadiums, hiring and paying coaches millions of dollars, when that money comes from funds that should be earmarked for education or perhaps even lowering the cost like tuition or room and board, we may have to rethink what we do in higher education. Anyway, that being said, we are now into week 10. As of Sunday, end of day, your invention activities, some sort of a problem in higher education that's going to ultimately lead into your topic for the proposal essay is due Sunday, the 12th, end of day. Responses, as you see, will be due Tuesday to that discussion board. Now, let's kind of think about some of our responses here. Some are getting kind of thin. What I'm looking for, especially in this last unit, is some engagement because we're going to be talking about some, controversial issues, some problems that need some solving, and we are going to look at some solutions that may or may not be popular. But sometimes when you have significant problems, I mean, important and significant and critical solutions are just required to solve that. So, as we move into Tuesday, your responses will be due. Friday, you'll have discussion board number 12, which will be a straight up research assignment to get you a look at how to use research techniques in chapter 11. And then Sunday, end of day, is your sketch, which ultimately will be, once again, your topic as you move into the proposal essay. If you have any questions or issues for me, remember, just want to remind everybody that you can revise previous essays. Always click into the essay document and review my comments. If you have any specific questions, please email me and I will do my best to explain comments and where you can go to revise your particular essay project. I think I've got it all covered for week 10 as we roll into the holiday season. Once again, if anybody has any questions or issues, let me know. If you're going to be away from the computer over the holiday season, just let me know so I know that you're not falling off and you're just away from the computer enjoying time with family and friends. I get that. All right? Because I got news for you. I do the same thing too. All right, everyone, have a good week. Good luck.